How's it going, everybody? I'm gonna do a bike check. This is my bike, fully custom. It's a 2011 Eastern Ramrod frame. So starting from the top, I have Colt Vans grips, like the waffle grips or whatever, with their bar ends. I have some sort of bars, not sure what, I don't really care. They're short, I'm gonna get some new ones. I have a Mission Talon top load stem, a Cane Creek headset. I have an Eastern fork that I rod. I have Colt Diehard tires, 2.25s or something. Random peg, Zach 30 front rim, 2011 Eastern Ramrod frame. I have a Shadow fat seat, Odyssey Twisted PC Camo limited edition pedals. I can't remember what kind of cranks they are. There's just 3-piece cranks. I have KMC black chain. I have an Animal 28 tooth sprocket and a Shadow bottom bracket. I have a Mission React rear hub laced to an Alienation black sheep rim. I have some random peg, and that's about it. My bike's pretty dialed. It's a little heavy in the front end because of the forks. So I'm going to get some new forks, and I'm going to get some taller bars. Then probably a free coaster. After that, it'll be pretty dialed. Thanks. Bye. Subaru.